Using this method, you can expect $100 to even up to $1,000 per post. Hey guys, welcome back to another Money Mastery video. Within the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you the best and most efficient way to make money using ChatGPT and Instagram. This method is going to create high quality posts that will engage your viewer to make passive income. First, I'll show you how you can quickly grow a new Instagram page. Then, I'll show you the multiple ways you can profit off of your new page. Now, enough waiting around. Let's get into it. Out of all of the social media, why Instagram? Instagram allows users to easily grow a following and a brand. We can then use that brand as an opportunity to make money for a business. In order to grow an audience, we need to provide people with quality posts. And normally, to create quality posts, you will need a lot of experience and time. But here's when ChatGPT steps in. To succeed, we need to follow a distinct workflow that I'll be explaining throughout the video. First, we have to choose an interesting niche. The most profitable niches that I recommend are health and fitness, finance, and makeup or beauty. Accounts within these niches grow exponentially and are easy to monetize. Once you choose one of these niches, you have to choose a sub-niche that people are extremely interested in and that solves their problems. You solve their problems by giving advice to them, which in turn makes them trust you. You want to have people gain your trust from your quality advice. In doing this, you can grow an audience. Now, let's say you choose a sub-niche like yoga, under the health and fitness niche. We can go into ChatGPT and ask it to generate Instagram content ideas for a yoga account. It's then going to generate a list of ideas for potential posts in the future. Look over the content ideas and pick one that is your favorite. In this example, we'll just pick the first one, and we'll ask ChatGPT to elaborate on this content idea. Finally, we will ask ChatGPT to create 10 posts around a topic, along with asking it to include picture suggestions. To utilize ChatGPT even more, we can ask it to create hooks. So, let's ask it to create a hook for the first post. You can ask ChatGPT to do additional tasks or repeat this process as many times as you want. Once you're ready to make the post, you can go into Canva to find an Instagram post template to make your post a little more professional. Using ChatGPT, we can quickly generate hundreds of quality content that actually provides value in only a matter of minutes. To make the process even more efficient and less time-consuming, we can make our posts in bulk and use tools such as Buffer, Tailwind, Later.com, and more to schedule our posts for the future. After growing a following on our account with an engaging group of people that have an interest in our brand, we can monetize in 3 simple ways. I would recommend to first hit 1,000 followers, and then monetize through sponsorships and brand deals. Here, you can expect anywhere from $100 to $1,000 from this monetized method alone. There are 2 ways to get brand deals. The first one is the laziest, which is to wait for brand deals to come to you, who notice your growing and engaging audience. The second method is to reach out to brands on social media or through their influencer division. You can also join influencer marketing platforms such as AspireQ, Influencer.com, and Brandbaker. The second way to monetize your audience is through affiliate marketing. Essentially, it is when you lead a customer to a company's site, they buy their product, and you get a percentage of the profits. You want to find products and companies that are related to your niche, and then link those products directly in your bio. The third way is by creating your own dropshipping store that is relevant to your niche. For example, if I have a yoga account on Instagram, I can sell yoga clothes or general yoga products on the store. By creating a community around your dropshipping store, you can make it a 6-figure business if you put in a lot of effort. Though, just remember, growing a brand takes time, offering value, and gaining people's trust. You must have that mindset and be aware that you're putting out quality content. That's all I have for today. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I will see you all next time.